Synchronicity is a mirror reflecting the cosmic order and the fundamental unity of the universe. Within the rhythmic dance of synchronicity, there is a fascinating phenomenon known as the secret realm of number synchronicities. Imagine receiving a receipt with numbers on it that seem like a hidden code, or seeing all the numbers on a clock in perfect alignment. This is the universe's hidden language, spoken through the power of numbers. The repeated appearance of specific numbers in your life is not just a coincidence. There's more to it than that. You get the impression that the universe is softly touching you on the shoulder and speaking to you in a language beyond reason and plausibility. Statistics can account for the infrequent coincidence, but these numerical synchronicities, regularity, and human significance suggest a more serious problem. Think about this. You see the number 3 repeatedly wherever you turn, on invoices, license plates, and even on your regular order of coffee. When these interactions go on, one starts to feel amazed, even though it's just an odd observation at first. Whispering numbers is an intriguing phenomenon that begs the question, is the world trying to communicate with you? This is the secret of the numbers that whisper. An ancient science with roots in numerous cultures, numerology offers a lens through which to view these whispers. It transforms numbers from being merely numbers into potent symbols by endowing them with certain energies and meanings. Each number has a unique vibration frequency and stands for qualities, like creativity number 3, balance number 7, or new beginnings number 1. By becoming fluent in the symbolic language of numbers, you can begin to decipher the meanings hidden within your repeated encounters. While numerology provides a framework, the true power lies in personal interpretation. The way that another person interprets the specific number that resonates with you be different from your own, due to factors such as life events, worldview, and intuition. Similar to cosmic winks, numerical synchronicities are gentle reminders from the universe that you're headed in the right direction, or that you should change your direction. They remind you that you are not alone in this enormous masterpiece that is life. Through the language of numbers, the universe is actively involved in your journey, providing direction and assistance. Think about this. You're feeling lost and uncertain and have to make a tough decision. Then, throughout the day, you keep seeing the number 8, which is connected to power, prosperity, and fresh starts. One interpretation of this recurring meeting could be a cosmic wink, a sign of support from the cosmos. It's an indication that you have the inner fortitude to overcome this obstacle and come out on top. Understanding the lessons contained in numerical synchronicities necessitates a combination of awareness, intuition, and reflection. Recognizing the recurrent numbers and observing the feelings they arouse is the first step. Do you feel optimistic, invigorated, or even at ease? The meaning of the message may be suggested by these feelings. Next, use numerology as a guide to explore the number's symbolic meaning. But never forget that you are the one who truly interprets things. Think about the scenarios in your life right now, the settings in which the numbers occur, and any associations you may have personally with that particular number. For instance, the number 5, which is linked to transformation and change, may be indicating to you that a major shift in your life is about to occur. Deciphering the messages contained in numerical synchronicities requires a strong sense of intuition. When you come across a number that keeps coming up, trust your instinct. Does it make you feel excited, reassured, or be just a little prodded to think more deeply? Accept your intuition as a useful instrument for deciphering the universe's secrets. With increased awareness of your inner guidance, you will be able to interpret these cosmic winks in a way that is specific to you. You can learn to understand the whispers of the cosmos through intuition. It speaks a language that is beyond words. For example, finding yourself drawn to the harmony number on a regular basis may indicate that you need to work on finding balance in your life. The transformational number may serve as a gentle reminder to welcome change. During these times, numerology and synchronicity combine to create a powerful force that will unite you. With the universal wisdom that permeates and directs all of existence. Number-related coincidences can make one think about their decisions and routes in life. Take use of them as chances for reflection and self-learning. Consider how these figures' advice fits into your goals, values, and personal development. Whether you engage contemplative activities such as meditation or prayer, incorporate the interpretation of number synchronicities into your practices, acknowledging the multiplicity of perspectives. Talk about your personal encounters with number coincidences. Your tales add to the group's investigation of this intriguing subject, and create a discussion within the community that deepens our comprehension of the cosmic language.